Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is about division of whole numbers by fractions and vice versa. Okay, first we have 8 divide 1/4. Okay class, kapag whole number siya, automatic may over 1 siya. Okay, so now we're going to write 8 over 1, and kapag nag-divide tayo, so we're going to change this division into multiplication. Okay, and now the reciprocal of this 1/4 is 4 over 1. Now let us multiply this fraction. We have 8 times 4 is equal to 32, and 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Now, remember class, kapag over 1 siya, it means automatic na siya na whole number. So, we have here, the answer is 32. Next problem, we have 3/4 divided by 2. Okay, going to write 3/4 here, and we're going to change this division into multiplication, and then ang reciprocal nitong 2 over 1, remember class, kapag ka whole number may automatic over 1 siya. So ang reciprocal or kabaliktaran nitong 2 over 1. So ang reciprocal ng 2 is 1 over 2. Now we're going to multiply this one. 3 times 1 is equal to 3, and 4 times 2 is equal to 8. So we have 3 over 8. So there you have it, the division of whole numbers by fractions and vice versa. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more math videos. See ya!